Kolkata, a city with a rich heritage of old buildings and parks, is comparable to the finest European cities. This documentary has been set up to document the existing heritage that enrich our city of joy both historically and culturally. Kumatuli, the clay model maker's heaven, is older than Calcutta. The history of the Kumatuli potter can be traced back to Krishnanagar in South Bengal. To begin with, near about the middle of the 17th century, potters in search of better livelihood came from Krishnanagar to Govindapur. When the land at Govindapur was required by the British East India Company for building Fort William, the inhabitants migrated further up the river to Sutanuti. The potters moved into their new destination, colonized a vast area and named it Kumatuli. The term Kumar meaning a potter and Tuli a locality. Jorashako Thakurbari, home of Nobel laureate Rabindranath Tagore. It is built in 1784. This is a great place of cultural history, situated in Darknath Tagore Lane. Rabindranath was born and brought up in Jorashako Thakurbari, spent half of his life here and also breathed his last here. Recently, this heritage building has been converted to an university campus and a museum. The Asiatic Society was founded by Sir William Jones on January 15, 1784 in a meeting presided over by Sir Robert Chambers. The most famous resident of Janbajar is Rani Rashmoni. Rani Rashmoni's father-in-law, Prithviram Das, started constructing this house in 1805. It took some 7 to 8 years to complete construction of this house. Another glory of Kolkata is its the renovated ancestral home of Swami Vivekananda, where some of the articles used by Swamiji, his father, mother and brothers are preserved. The Calcutta Jewel Post Office, GPO, the commercial hub of the city designed by Walter B. Grenville, was built in 1864. Its high domed roof and tall Ionic Corinthian pillars give the building an imposing appearance, marking the boundaries of the former Fort William, destroyed during Siraj-ud-Daulla's attack on the British settlement in 1756. The GPO functions as the chief post office of West Bengal. In 1814, the Indian Museum was founded by Danish botanist Dr. Nathaniel Wallich. It is a multidisciplinary institution of national standing and is one of the oldest museums in the world. This was the first museum of its kind in Asia. It is also the largest museum in the country and has rare collections of antiques, armors and ornaments, fossils, skeletons, mummies and Mughal paintings. The history of the coffee house at College Street can be traced to Albert Hall, which was founded in April 1876. Notable citizens including Rabindranath Tagore, Subhash Chandra Bose and Satyajit Ray were frequent visitors to the place. Bethune College started as a Hindu female school and blossomed into the Bethune School on 7th May 1849. It was founded by John Eliot Drinkwater Bethune. Pandit Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar was the secretary of the managing committee of the institution and also one of its chief patrons. The Victoria Memorial is a memorial of Queen Victoria of the United Kingdom. It is a wonderful example of the Western style of architecture. The monument was built between 1906 to 1921 by Lord Curzon. It not only pays homage to a legendary British monarch but also reflects the memories of the British rule in India. The memorial was designed by Sir William Emerson. It is a majestic white marble building at the southern end of the Maidan and surrounded by a sprawling garden. It currently serves as a museum and a tourist attraction of Kolkata. The branch of the Ramakrishna Mutt at Kashipur is popular as Udyanbati. This garden house was sanctified by Ramakrishna's stay with his disciples during the last few months of his life, as also by his Mahasamadhi. It was made a branch of Ramakrishna Mutt in 1946. Kalpataru Utsav is organized in January every year. Mahajati Sadan. It was inaugurated in the year of 1958. This fully air-conditioned theatre has a capacity of 1,309 seats and a library attached. Houses on social science and literature of freedom movement along with other precious documents. Howrah Bridge is considered to be an engineering marvel which took 6 years to construct in the 1940s. It was opened in 1943. The bridge joins the main railway station and the industrial city of Howrah with the city of Kolkata. It has a span of almost 500 meters. It is the third largest bridge in the world, has around 2 million people crossing over it daily. Visible from many places in Kolkata, the bridge is called Rabindra Setu.